Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back again to my channel. It's another day of living, right? I hope you guys are doing well. But anyway, today I'm going to make a simple breakfast. I'm going to make a fruit salad and sliced bread with hummus. So this is all the ingredients. I have strawberries and raspberries, citrus and orange, and also a little salt and sugar. And I have also ground cinnamon and hummus. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, let's put that there. And this my little carrot. I already washed them. Just cut it in quarter. It's snowing here today. Goodness. It's wrong time. It's almost March already and it's still snowing. So it's like 22 degrees here right now. So next we're going to cut the orange. My daughter just texted me. She said, I'm on my way. She's from work. She works graveyard, poor thing. She has to save money for her next enrollment in August. It's really dangerous outside to drive. It's really slippery. This is the easy way to peel orange. Just have to be careful not to peel the entire fruits inside. Take her so long to defrost the ice on her windshield. She's on her way. My poor baby, my forever baby, the one and only. Anyway. Also the orange, we just cut it. It's so quiet here today because it's so early. People are still sleeping. And our neighborhood upstairs, no one's running. My goodness, there's people upstairs driving me crazy sometimes. That's why my music sometimes is loud to cover up their noise. Oh my goodness. Can't control them, but you know, they should have to respect to each other, family living in the other complex, right? And they don't care. Okay, the orange is done. So this need to peel it. Of course, just need this citrus. It looks good, but I can't have it yet. I have to wait for maybe an hour because I can't have any citrus when I'm taking my medication for thyroid. I can't have citrus. So I just hang on this like maybe an hour. Just preparing this because my daughter is coming home. It's coming already. Her mom preparing her food. It's almost done. The last one. Okay, let's mix it up all together. And just sprinkle a little cinnamon. Cinnamon is good also, lower your cholesterol, you know that? That looks good. Alright, so now we're going to toast the bread. Just toast your bread in regular toaster, or you can also toast it with butter on the pan like I did earlier before. Here's the toast. I already toasted that. Just spread out hummus. I made this hummus. This is a triple chili hummus. Yeah, this is really good. You can sprinkle a little black pepper. And this is completely optional. Anything you have there, like micro leaves or alpha leaves, and if you don't have it, that's fine. I just want to finish this up, like get rid of it. Put your fruits there. Charan. Oops. Go. Alright everyone, this is my breakfast for today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you can share my videos to your friends and your family. Alright, thank you also to all the new subscribers, and hello to all my subscribers, and hello to my partner. Thank you so much for helping me out, and God bless you all. Take care. Alright, see ya.